Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve the problem of an iPhone asking for a passcode after restarting, or a factory reset. Method 1. Enter your previous passcode. You can try the commonly used passcodes, such as 111111 and 888888. Maybe it can be the correct passcode to unlock your iPhone. Method 2. Restore iPhone using iTunes or Finder. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Then put it into recovery mode. Open iTunes. OK, the iPhone is detected. On the pop-up prompt, click the Restore button. Then click Restore and Update. Hit the Next button, click Next and then the Agree button. The iPhone has been restored to factory settings. You can set it up in your preference. Method 3. Unlock iPhone using iSunshare iPhone Passcode Genius. Make sure iTunes is installed on the computer. Then go to iSunshare iPhone Passcode Genius official website. iSunshare iPhone Passcode Genius is the professional iPhone unlocker, which can help remove iPhone screen lock without passcode. You can download and install it on your computer. Now open the software. Click the Unlock Lock Screen option. Hit the Start button. Connect your iPhone to the computer. It is better to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Click the Next button. Download firmware. Check the note message. Then click Unlock to remove the iPhone unavailable lock screen. Just wait for a few minutes. Your iPhone unavailable screen disappears. Wonderful! That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.